Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are making pepper stuffed with lamb mince. For my ingredients, I have 4 red pepper which are already washed and dried out with my paper towel. I am going to cut this in there later of the cooking and remove the seeds. I also have 250 grams of lamb mince, 1 large onions. I'm going to use a splash of olive oil. I've got 1 large tomato which I cubed. I'm also going to use a sprinkle of Italian herbs, half a cup of mixed veg, a grain of pepper. For my spices, I have a heaped teaspoon of mixed masala, 1 teaspoon of pure chilli powder, half a teaspoon dhania powder, half a teaspoon hurdee, half a teaspoon garam masala, half a teaspoon jeera powder, and 1 teaspoon of steak and chopped spice. I'm using a teaspoon of fine salt, 3 large garlic that I'm going to crush, and some fresh thyme, and I also cut some spring onions, and I'm going to use a little bit of dhania which is frozen to garnish at the end. Then for my cheeses, I have, for the braising of the curry, I'm going to use half a cup of cheddar which I grated, and 2 tablespoons of spring onions and chives cream cheese. And then I have my mixed cheese here which I'm going to top my pepper with. It's half a cup of grated cheddar and half a cup of mozzarella cheese. Here I have a day-old rice. I'm going to add this rice to the stuffing of my pepper. Maybe we'll go around 1 or 1.5 cup. We are ready to start braising our mince. I've got my stove on medium heat and I'm using my non-stick frying pan. I'm going to put in a little olive oil. I'll allow this oil to heat up. My oil has heated up and I'm going to add my onions to it. I will allow these onions to fry out a little brown. My onions are brown lightly and I'm going to add in my crushed garlic to it. And also I'm just going to add in my thyme. To this I'm going to add in all my spice. I'm also going to add in a sprinkle of my Italian herbs. And now I'm ready to add in my mince. I'll give this a good mix and allow it to fry. Firstly, I'm going to break up these lumps of the mince. And now I'm going to add in my tomatoes. And I'm also going to add in my salt and a grain of pepper. I'll give this all a mix and let my tomato cook out. My tomatoes are cooked. I'm just going to add in my mixed veg to it and allow this mixed veg to get a little soft. My veg has gone soft and now you can see the curry is completely done. It's looking nice. I'm just going to throw in my frozen dhania to it. Give this a nice mix. I'm going to use my cheese, which is 2 tablespoons of cream cheese. I'm also going to add in my half a cup of cheddar cheese to it. I'll give this a good mix. This is looking so good. I am ready to add in my rice. I'll give this a mix and see. I don't think so we need more rice. I will switch my stove off and let this to cool. I've got my oven preheating to 160 degrees. And here I'm going to work with my pepper. I've got my cute little tray here that I use spray and cook. So to this, I'm going to start cutting off my pepper. And I'll remove the inside. Here you go. You can see how easy it is to remove the seeds out. I'm going to do the rest. Here's my pepper that I cleaned out. And these seeds can be dried and planted. As you can see, these peppers don't sit up properly. So I cut a bit of the top of the pepper and I'm going to put this pepper to wedge my pepper to sit properly. Like that. Yeah, I've got 2 peppers that I'm going to full and roast, but I'm also going to full these up and keep them in the fridge. My stuffing has cooled down a little bit, so I am able to work with it. I'm going to start by stuffing my peppers. I'm done with the stuffing. Here I have my mixed cheese. I'm just gonna sprinkle this cheese on the top. I gave this a generous filling. And I'm just gonna garnish it with my spring onions. I'm ready to pop this in the oven for 20 minutes till the outside is nice and soft. We'll keep watching. I'm going to use this rest of the stuffing for my other 2 peppers, and I also have lovely green peppers in the garden. If there's extra, I will put in the stuffing in my green peppers. I'll leave them in the fridge. If any visitors are coming over, I can just bake them. 25 minutes has passed. I gave it another extra 5 minutes when checking. And now my pepper is done and I'm ready to take it off the oven. Oh, looking so cute. Here you go, your lovely pepper stuffed with lamb mince. This can be done in advance. If you're getting visitors over, you can stuff them and let it rest in your fridge and bake them when necessary. And this is a lovely meal that can be served with some lovely salad on the side, or even some lovely fried chips. Thank you all for watching and enjoy.